Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I'm here to share with you the Fat Quarter Shop May Sew Sampler Box. I'm going to do an unboxing and talk about all of the fun products that are inside. And this is actually going to be my first time doing one of these types of posts. So let's get started. Okay, so the theme for this month's box is buds and blooms. And I always have so much fun when I open the box and see the fun little cover page that they have for the box. And so let's see what's inside. And I am going to tell you, I did actually open this one before, just to make it easier for me to share. But the first thing that we're going to find in the box is a mini layer cake of Vanessa Gertson's Bloomington collection. And this is a gorgeous collection. I got to sew a quilt with it for her and for market last spring, actually, and had a lot of fun. It's just got beiges and like a turquoise blue, some darker prints, a beautiful coral. Vanessa always does some really fun florals. It's just a really fun collection. I love her greens. The polka dots are fun. This polka dot comes in a tone-on-tone as well. And this collection has just barely shipped to stores, so you can find all of the pre-cuts, jelly rolls, honey buns, fat quarter bundles, and you can even find this specially sized little bundle. The next thing in the box, and this one I did actually open because I wanted to try it out before I showed you, so I could tell you if they were nice. But this is a new scissor, and it is produced by Fat Quarter Shop. So, and they worked really well. It says that they work for paper and for fabric, and I tested it out on fabric, and I really thought they were really nice. They're a really great size. They'd be great for a travel bag. But I'm just super happy to have these. They're going to stay right here on my cutting table. The next thing in the box is a little pattern, and this is the Greatest Hits pattern. I'll just stick it under there. They're doing a new promotion in the boxes, and this is month 2, and so it's a different block each month, and this week's block is kind of a little star with a square in the center. So every month you get one of those pattern cards and the directions to make that block. Seems like they always put in a spool of thread. This is Aurifil 2024, and I'm guessing that this is one of Vanessa's favorites. They usually match the thread to the fabric. So another really fun thing, well, first of all, this Rose Garden quilt pattern, which you can use with the layer cake squares to make this quilt pattern. And these are always exclusive patterns to Fat Quarter Shop. I believe this is the only thing that you can't buy separately from the box because it's just exclusive to the box. If you've never done the Sew Sampler boxes, you might have to go on a waiting list, but they do open up here and there. So if you get on the waiting list, it might only be a month or 2 before you're able to be a subscriber and get one of these delivered every month. I will note Fat Quarter Shop does send me these boxes for free each month to review, and it's one of my favorite things that comes. Last thing in the box is a pair of Magic Touch quilting gloves, and these are really good if you do machine quilting on your home machine. The fingers have little ribs so that you can grip the fabric better when you're doing free motion quilting. And I haven't tried these yet, but I've used some similar ones, and they really do help. You wouldn't think it would make such a big difference, but it really does. The other thing in the box is they always give you a little card, and sometimes there's a coupon. But anyway, this is the May box, and it was a super good one. The fabrics are beautiful. I always love the little pattern cards, and the scissors are going to be great. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the May Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. I actually had a lot of fun doing this. I feel like it gave me more opportunity to give you more information about the individual products than just putting a link in a blog post to them. Remember, you can go to Fat Quarter Shop and you can sign up for the box, or if you just want to buy 1 or 2 or 3 of the individual products, you can always do that each month as well. And I will have a link in the description below to the Sew Sampler box sign up and to each of the individual products that I talked about today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks so much for stopping by.